Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming weight and footprint. This prevents surprises. Power down and unplug. Label cables so reconnecting is painless later. Once done, remove detachable parts and any glass or panels, then wrap fragile surfaces with blankets. Do this because it reduces tip and scratch risk. Meanwhile, set your lifting points and assemble a dolly. Make sure to recruit one helper per 12-15 kg of mass. This first set of actions keeps the move controlled and safe. You now secure the wrapped unit and position straps. Tightening evenly prevents pressure damage. Tilt onto the dolly by pulling one end up while one teammate steadies. Aim for a 15 to 25 degree tilt so the center of gravity clears the floor smoothly. Once on the dolly, move at walking pace and keep the load centered over the axle. When negotiating thresholds or steps, transfer between hands with synchronized counts. This technique avoids jerks and prevents internal component shift. You finish by reversing the loading sequence. Position the unit, steady it, then tilt slowly off the dolly using coordinated counts. Once in place, remove blankets and reconnect labeled cables, reattach panels and accessories. Power up and run the quick start diagnostics. Listen for unusual noises and watch for error LEDs. If everything checks out, tighten mounting points and document the condition. If something goes wrong, try reseating power and data connectors first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.